Hey guys, welcome back to Shiba Inu Crypto. Shiba Inu finally about to delete some zeros in the future. Explained. The second largest meme coin in the market, Shiba Inu is one of the most popular crypto projects in the market. Launched in August 2020, Shib is an ERC20 token launched on the Ethereum network, with one major goal to overtake Dogecoin. That is why it was termed the Doge Killer. In this video, we will talk about Shiba Inu is about to delete some zeros in the future. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content on Shiba Inu price predictions and expert analysis. Without further ado, let's begin the video. The coin has been posting negative growth for the past 7 days, with a 9.9% decline. The Shiba Inu price also declined 43% in the past 30 days and 56% in the past 90 days of this writing. Shiba Inu has dropped from $0.0000187 to $0.0000107 in the past 30 days. Crypto experts say that Shiba Inu might drop further if the bears continue to run the market. The prediction is that Shib might drop to another zero to reach a 5-0 value, or to $0.0000009 in the next few weeks. Shiba Inu plummeting is driven by many things, including the hawkish Fed regulations. The exit of the Shiba Inu founder Ryoshi is another big problem for this coin. The move increased the selling pressure of the Shib coin. All these factors combined can push Shiba Inu back to $0.0000009. After Binance listed Shiba Inu, Shib became a global phenomenon. As Shiba Inu is on an existing blockchain network, it has a good store of value, making it reliable to invest in. Due to its increasing popularity, crypto analysts iterate on the potential of it growing to become a more demanded token in the future due to its finite number. Shiba Inu was created in August 2020 with an initial total supply of 1 quadrillion tokens. The first big moment in Shiba Inu's history came in May 2021, when its founder sent half of the supply to Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin. This was widely considered a publicity stunt to piggyback on the success of a more popular cryptocurrency. Ryoshi's cryptic explanation was that there is no greatness without a vulnerable point. Buterin donated 10% of the tokens and burned the other 90%. Because of that, Shiba Inu currently has a circulating supply of about 549 trillion tokens. Shiba Inu launched its own decentralized exchange, ShibaSwap, in July 2021. In November, it partnered with David Falk, previously Vice President of Technology at Activision, to develop a cryptocurrency gaming project. In terms of value, Shiba Inu started 2021 with a price of $0.00000000119. Shiba Inu hit a peak that year of $0.000088845. Comparing such small numbers is tricky, but an easier way to look at it is that the price had risen more than 74 million% in October 2021. It then suffered a major downturn, with the value dropping by more than 75%. At the start of 2022, more than 600 businesses accepted Shiba Inu. For comparison's sake, more than 7,500 businesses accepted market leader Bitcoin at that same time. ShibaSwap is the native decentralized exchange of the Shiba Inu coin, a trendy meme coin and the biggest rival of Dogecoin. Released in July 2021, the ShibaSwap exchange provides many of the same functions as other DEXs. Token exchange and liquidity pool, with the addition of additional features such as staking, governance, and non-fungible tokens (NFTs). In addition, ShibaSwap mainly has 3 tokens powering its ecosystem. The first one is Shiba Inu, which fuels ShibaSwap, and the other 2 tokens are ERC20 tokens, namely Bone, ShibaSwap, and Leash. This token allows its holder to propose and vote on changes to the ShibaSwap protocol via Doggy DAO. As of May 2022, the latest Bone's trading price was $0.5621. The token has an outstanding supply of 6,975,299 Bone, with a total token supply of 250 million coins. Besides Bone ShibaSwap, another token in the ShibaSwap ecosystem is Leash. It is deemed to be an incentivized token in the Shiba Inu Shib ecosystem. Initially, Leash was launched as a rebase token, also known as an elastic token. Similar to stablecoins, rebase is a kind of token that the supply is automatically adjusted through computer algorithms to keep its price pegged to other assets. There is a 1 to 100 ratio between leash supply and the Doge price. To put it another way, if the Dogecoin price is 0.05 USD, the leash supply will be adjusted to bring the leash price up to 50 USD by minting new tokens or burning. Currently, leash is no longer following Doge's price and has become a significant store of value for ShibaSwap investors. In May 2022, the price of leash is $843.92. According to the official website, ShibaSwap mainly offers 6 functions, in which the 3 native tokens, namely Shib, Leash, and Bone, play significant roles. Before starting to use ShibaSwap, you must set up one of 3 compatible crypto wallet services. You need to do 2 things when setting up a crypto wallet. Firstly, you have to make a copy of your secret phrase, which is also known as a seed phrase or recovery phrase. However, avoid storing or transmitting the secret phrase in any digital form, even as screenshots, to avoid allowing hackers to access your private data. Alternatively, it's best to write it down on paper physically. Create as many copies of the phrase as possible and keep each one in a different place to ensure utmost privacy and security. Secondly, you must deposit enough ETH into your crypto wallet to cover transaction fees and convert it into Shib, Bone, or Leash tokens if you participate in staking or liquidity pools on ShibaSwap. To link your wallet, click the Connect icon in the top right corner of ShibaSwap's website and then select your wallet service. Once completed, you will be able to access the ShibaSwap services. However, it should not be used as a sole criterion for determining the security of an overall system. Before investing in any DeFi platform, prospective buyers should always conduct extensive research on the risks that each DeFi involves. When the public is clamoring for a coin to be accepted, business leaders have no choice but to listen. AMC Entertainment CEO Adam Aron is certainly listening. Just recently, he acknowledged that the movie theater chain is exploring options for accepting Shiba Inu. This wouldn't be the first time the company gave consideration to a dog-themed token. As Aron explained, AMC's decision to look into Dogecoin as a form of payment was driven by popular demand, and it should be approved for the first quarter of 2022. Hence, it only makes sense that Shib would be the next one on our cryptocurrency hit parade, as Aron put it. However, all 3 operate in different ecosystems: ShibaSwap on Shiba Inu, PancakeSwap on Binance Smart Chain, and Uniswap on Ethereum. According to some experts, ShibaSwap seems to provide greater profit potential, notably from 2 main passive income via the bury and digging features. Shiba Inu has had several positive developments in 2022, including launching a metaverse platform. This is a big deal, as it adds to the intrinsic value of Shiba Inu. Bitcoin also seems to have found a bottom at around $27,000. If the worst of the 2022 bear run is over and the market turns a corner, then Shiba Inu could rally to $0.00001 by the end of the year. If the worst of the bear market is over by the end of the year, then Shiba Inu could have a good year in 2023. One thing likely to push Shiba Inu is activity on its Layer 2 network, which will drive up the token burn on Shiba Inu. However, since the market is coming off a deep recession, momentum is unlikely to be that strong. Shiba Inu could trade between $0.00001 and $0.00012, all through 2023. That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content.